Hello everyone, I am Pradna Gulane from Computer Engineering Department, AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. Today I am going to explain binary search tree. In many search applications where data is constantly entering or leaving, a particular kind of binary tree is called a binary search tree. It provides the efficient way of data sorting, searching, and retrieving. A binary search tree is a binary tree where nodes are ordered in a following way. First, each node associates with one key. The key in left subtree are less than the key in its parent node. In short, the left side data is less than parent node. Then third, the key in right subtree are greater than the key in the parent node. It means the right side data is always greater than the parent node. For example, in given binary search tree, the root node or the parent node data value equal to 15. Now, the 8 is less than 15, so that it is placed at left side, or it is as a left child node. Then 3 is less than 8, and again 3 is put at left side or the left child node of a subtree 8. Same way, the 10 is greater than 15, 10 is greater than 8, so that it puts at a right as a right child node. At a right side subtree, 20 is greater than 15, so that it is right side of a parent node, and 22 is greater than 15 and 20, so that again put it at a right as a right child node of a subtree 20. There are two main operations we perform on a binary search tree: is a insert new data and a delete data. So first we will see insert item K in a binary search tree. For that, first, when we want to enter or insert any item or data in a binary search tree, first we have to compare it, the value of that item with a root node. If the value of item K is greater than root node, then proceed to the right child and compare with the item K. And if the K value is less than root node, then proceed to the left child and compare with the item K. And to explain these three steps, we consider one example of inserting in-order integers. Suppose we have the values 23, 10, 22, 15, 35, 9, and 2. By using that value, if we want to construct a new binary search tree, then initially the 20 we consider as a root node. Then the next node value is equal to 3. Now 3 is less than 20, so that it proceeds to the left side. So 3 is the left child of a 20. Then next value is 10. Now 10 is less than 20 but greater than 3. So we place as a right node of a subtree 3. Then 22 is greater than root node 20. So we put or place as a right side or the right child of a parent node 20. Then 15 is less than 20, so that it proceeds to the left side. Again, at a left side, 15 compare with 3, again it is greater, so we proceed to the right side. Again it is greater than 10, so we place it at the right side or the as a right child of a 10 subtree. Then 35 35 is greater than root node 20, also greater than right side subtree 22, so that we put it as a right child of a subtree 22. Next 9. 9 is less than 20. It is greater than 3, but also already we have the 10 as a subtree or the right child. So it compares with a 10. Now 9 is less than 10. So it is a left child of a 10 subtree. Next 21. 21 is greater than 20. So it proceeds to the right side. Now it check with a 22. Now 21 is less than 22. So it is a left child of a 22 subtree. So in this way, we can easily construct any binary search tree, and we can easily insert the number of keys or the items in a binary search tree. Now, next operation is delete item K from the binary search tree. For that, there are three main conditions. If deleted node K has no children, then replace the node with null. For example, in this binary tree, if we want to delete the node D, it does not have any child, so that its value equal to null. So the resultant binary search tree is like this. We directly delete the node D here. Then in a second case, if a deleted node K has one child, then replace the value of deleted node with the only child. Now here in this binary search tree, if we want to delete node E, now node E has one child F. So suppose if we delete E, then its value or its place is taken by its child. So the resultant binary search tree is like this. Then in a third step, if the deleted node has two children, then the replace deleted node with the node that is closest in the value to the deleted node. To find out the closest value, if we move once to the left and then to the right as far as possible. So suppose if we delete the root node A here, so find out the closest node equal to, first we goes to the left side and then goes to the right side as far as possible. So the value is F. If we delete A, then its value is replaced with a F. So resultant binary search tree is like this. So in this way, we can easily insert or delete item from the binary search tree. Thank you.